In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use VBA to filter a large data before you can work with other things like a pivot table with it. So I have downloaded the statistics for the population of Canada for 2021. Now I'd like to determine the age range for them. Now this is a CSV file originally, and there's 38,000 lines of data in here. And so what I would normally do, not for this large, but I would normally just go to insert and pivot table, and then it's going to go on another sheet. And so I'll say okay. And then so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the name, which is the province or what territory. And then I'm going to put in the population or the characteristic ID or characteristic name, which is the one that says the age range. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in columns. Well, the problem is that there's such a large data here that there's far too many age ranges or ranges of different criteria that they have determined here. So I want to just get it down to the age ranges. So I wrote some VBA code so that I could get it down, so I could just get the age ranges of the different territories. So what I did, I'm going to this sheet here, and I've got province, age range, and population. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my code here. I'm going to the developer tab, I'm going to macros, and I'm going to get population, and then I'm going to go run. And now you have everything exactly what you need. You've got only the information that you need out of this. Now we can go to insert and create a pivot table. And then what we can do is we can go, we can once again go province, age range as the column, and population as the summed values. Now the grand total, I would change this to be that this is the total for all of Canada. And so you can also create a pivot chart. You've got your data now. You can get something that's more useful than what you had before. Let me go over the code for you. So this is my code. And so I've declared a few things, just the row and the end row. So now what I'm going to do is I'm doing while we still have a value in the column 9, which is the categories, then what we're going to do, and then what we're doing here is we're eliminating the value for Canada. So Canada in this is marked with a 0, 1. And so that for each of the other provinces, they have numbers that are other than 0, 1, because if I include the Canada, it's going to skew my data a little bit. So now I'm determining the end row in sheet 2, and that's where we're going to output it. And so sheet 1 is where the values are. And if it's 9, so that's the age range from 0 to 14 years. Then what I'm going to put down is the province or territory. And then I'm going to put in this value instead of putting in 9 in there. And then I'm putting the population. Now I've done this for each of the different categories that I'm interested in. And then it runs it, and we're all together. It works very well. I will, of course, include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.